why are some very specific super rich people so down on Bitcoin? So, for example, Warren Buffett, who's one of the most prolific and successful investors of all time, why does he say negative things about Bitcoin? Well, first of all, the vast majority of rich and high net worth people are pro-Bitcoin. So the number of people who are down on Bitcoin in the uber wealthy class is a minority. But the biggest thing that explains why they act that way is because it disrupts the way they made money and the way they think about the world. So people get very attached to the world working a certain way and being a certain way. People like Warren Buffett, he's made hundreds of billions of dollars, or maybe tens of billions, but I think he's above 100 billion right now, just investing in the stock market, picking winners and losers, and being really good at it. And then along comes digital currencies, specifically Bitcoin, and he doesn't understand it. It doesn't make sense to him. It doesn't fit in the box of the way he thinks about the world, and it's very disruptive to the world he built. So in the world he built, everyone has to invest in stocks and bonds, and they have to play this risky game of investments, and there's nowhere to store money where it's safe, where it's not going to be inflated away and you're not subject to the risks of a CEO or a bad decision or a failed audit. That hasn't existed before. So along comes Bitcoin, and it totally just disrupts how Warren Buffett thinks about the world. And he doesn't like it. He's 91 years old and he wants it to go away. In his perfect world, Bitcoin would not exist. He would be the big dog at every big investment conference, and there would be nobody asking him annoying questions about this disruptive new technology that he does not understand and he does not want to understand, and he certainly does not want to get on board with, because it is counter to the system that he helped build. So that is very frequently the case. When you find high net worth people that are anti-Bitcoin, it is because it goes against their personal interests